This conference will
do
now be
apply any
recorded.
machine learning. Guys, so we are going to applying any kind of machine learning algorithm on your data. So make sure that we should go for apply a lot of EDA techniques. Okay. So Jyoti not yet join. Okay, Radha. Jyoti not yet join. Can you call her?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's the main thing actually. So if even it is the supervised machine learning algorithm, even it is the unsupervised machine learning algorithm, even it is, I think reinforcement, we don't have any data, right? So even it is supervised or unsupervised, if the data, if we have it, so before we are going to applying the any kind of machine learning algorithm, make sure that make sure that you should apply exploratory data analysis. Okay. Further to one, in our a lot of statistical things, right? Like ANOVA, Z test, MDP test, F test, and chi-square test, different kind of tests. We've seen it, right? Those kind of things can see in this particular EDA techniques. Actually, the Python sessions are done. This is classes, okay? Fine. So I just want to talk about a project. The project is, if you consider one particular area and you would like to go for predict the price of the house at that particular area. Okay, for example, you are in a location and so you are trying to shift to another location or another area, another city, and by the time you want to buy that house, so when you decided to buy the house, and you should know what could be the cost of that area, right? What could be the cost of the house in that particular, right? So you would like to go or apply machine learning algorithm to predict the price of the house with that specific area. So that's a problem statement. So that kind of problem statement we are going to be solving with the help of the regression. You are predicting the price of the house. Price means it's a number, right? When my output variable is number, then I will go for apply the regression based algorithms. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So that's my project. My project is predicting the price of the house in one specific area or else one specific city. So the city name and everything will be given by the project manager or else your company, right? So let me go for that particular problem statement. Before you guys have understood the problem statement, right? Let's talk to the Deepika. Deepika, can you tell me what is the problem statement? Problem statement means what you want to solve it. That's the problem statement. So here, my problem statement is in one specific area, one specific location, or one specific city. So here, I consider the state is California. In California city, what could be the house of the price and how we can, what parameters which is depending. I mean, the house price, the value of the price, the value of the house, and which parameter, which based on which parameters the house price is fixing. So that you would like to go for predicting, you would like to go for do some kind of analysis for creating model for that. First step is you should apply the EDA, and the second step is you should go for apply the learning algorithm. So here the machine learning algorithm is here house price prediction. This is my title of the project. So guys, if anyone want to be make it some kind of resume, in that particular resume, if you want to be put your resume, your project information, then your title of the project is California house price prediction. Okay, so that means in California state, we would like to go for finding house value, right? So there you have the data set. You have the data set. This is your data set. So this is the data set, so which is given by your project manager. So first column, which we have the longitude, latitude, house median, age. That means how many years of age of that particular house, and when they total number of rooms and total number of bedrooms and population of that particular area and household, median income, median house value, and ocean proximity. That means whether near to that ocean or not, that you would like this kind of parameter we have it. So these are the parameters. These are the parameter which is given by your project manager. For that particular parameters, this is the data we have it. Okay, first column latitude and the second column, sorry, first column longitude, second column latitude, and third column so house median age, right? So here we total bedrooms, population, households, and so median income, median house value. So the second the second last one is your y variable. The reason is that you would like to go for predicting the house of the price house, right? So this is the column is price house. That means it could be your y variable or dependent variable or predictor variable. Different names you can pronounce. I hope it's right. So this is my data set. So for this particular data set, the first step is you should go for apply the EDA or data cleaning. You should go for apply the EDA. EDA means exploratory data analysis or data cleaning. That means data processing. Once the data is pre-processed, then we can able to go for apply the machine learning algorithms, training the machine learning algorithm. That could be the second step. So once if you train the machine learning algorithm, then you can able to go for build the model for that. So let me go for the data cleaning steps. So these are the steps you can follow it actually. So first step is importing the libraries. So I think in Python programming language, you know how we can able to import the libraries, right? Import the important or required libraries. So once if you're importing the important libraries, okay, this is the first step. So here now these are the libraries which can be used for data analysis or data processing purpose. Basically, NumPy, it is the numerical Python. And so numerical Python means you can do the operations very easily, or if the data is have in a arrays format. And pandas, it is for data processing. MATLAB,
Voice is
matplotlib, it can help you for visualization.
hello.
Hello, tell me.
I think the voice is breaking here and there.
Is it true?
Yes, your voice
Yes,
is
sir.
break.
Hello. Now my voice is audible for all of you.
Sir, even now also it is breaking, sir.
Okay. I can talk to one. Deepika,
No, it's breaking.
Deepika, is it
It's
breaking?
breaking. Like in a sentence, 50% we can hear clearly and 50 is breaking.
Okay. Hmm. What should I do?
I think it's clear now.
Actually, I'm not talking anything. Now I'm talking. If it is clear, then we can proceed. Otherwise, we can stop the session.
Yeah, right now it's better than what it was. This is clear.
Yes, sir. It's
Okay.
fine.
So yeah, actually, if you go for apply data cleaning or data processing step, if you want to do that with help of the Python programming language, the Python which we have some kind of libraries. The main libraries are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and the stats model. I think statistics, right? So this all kind of statistics we can performing with help of the stats model only. Okay, all kind of statistical tests we can perform of this
Sir,
language.
same problem, sir.
These are the libraries.
Sir,
Okay. So guys, stop the session here and we can continue the class on Monday. The project is very different. The same project putting in our mind, so that we are going to stopping our class now. The reason is that because of this kind of breaking of my voice in because of poor internet connectivity. Let's stop the class and we can continue by next class. See you.
okay.